Welcome. This video is going to be a guide on how the eBay promoted listings work in AdLister. With eBay promoted listings, you can boost your listings with either a pay-per-click or a pay-per-sale advertising campaign. And this feature comes at an extra cost next to your AdLister license. When the feature is activated, you will see a new option under the Listings tab called Promoted Listings. The pay-per-click offers higher visibility, but you will need to keep control over the campaign for best results. We can help you manage these campaigns too for an extra cost. Just speak to our AdLister support team for more information. You can also check how your promoted listing campaign is doing via the stats on the promoted listings page. If you are interested in this feature, please reach out to the AdLister support team and they will help you out in setting this feature up. I hope this video was informative in giving you some insight into how the eBay promoted listings work in AdLister. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.